GIBUN 어때? Again, GIBUN 어때? What does it mean? If you'd notice, the word in red letters is GIBUN, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about GIBUN. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 360. GIBUN. Again, it's GIBUN. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is gi, second syllable is bun. Pronounce it with me. GIBUN. GIBUN. The Korean word GIBUN means feeling or mood. Again, GIBUN pertains to feeling or mood. How do we write GIBUN in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable gi, we need to draw first a giok character followed by an e character. For the second syllable bun, we need to draw first a biup character followed by an u character followed by a neon character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word GIBUN. So to know more about this word, let's look at this example. It says, how do you feel? Again, it says, how do you feel? The Korean translation of that example is GIBUN 어때? Again, it's GIBUN 어때? So let's look into the details of this Korean translation. So, GIBUN is our word for today, and as mentioned a while ago, it pertains to feeling or mood. And the second part of the translation is 어때. This is already discussed on this channel, and it is used to ask, how is something? So when we say GIBUN 어때, we're actually asking a question here, which is, how is your mood or how are you feeling? So, GIBUN 어때 can be used to ask, how do you feel? So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of GIBUN 어때 is, how do you feel? And with that, you've just learned GIBUN. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 350 to 359. Don't forget our word for today, word number 360, GIBUN, which means feeling or mood. The first word for our review is word number 359, 가장, which means most. The next word for our review is sowan, which means wish. Next word is 말해, which means say it or tell me. Next word is 밤, which means night. Next word is 화장지, which means tissue paper. Next word is 아무도, which means no one or nobody. Next word is 언제나, which means every time or always. Next word is 모든, which means all. Next word is 먹자, which means let's eat. And the last word for our review is word number 350, 다행이다, which means that's a relief. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.